Right then, folks, welcome back to the channel. We're on a secret mission now.
A secret mission.
Secret mission.
Yeah.
So I've given the key back to the Airbnb because this weekend we're on a secret mission to Nottingham.
Nottingham?
Yes.
A first class ticket to Nottingham.
First class ticket to Nottingham? Not quite.
No.
So we're just parking the vans up and waiting for our taxi to get on a train to go to Nottingham. It's like the most opposite end of van life ever.
Yeah, we're getting a taxi to get a train, to get another train.
Yep.
To then walk a bit, to get in a hotel.
Yeah. And then we're going to like eat out and stuff.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
I know, for like 2 nights.
Treat
So
time.
it's all exciting and nerve-wracking because, I mean, it's still weird packing.
Yes, we have a suitcase.
We have a suitcase!
It's heavy. 2 people going away for 2 nights. Why does it weigh 30 kilograms?
It doesn't weigh 30 kilograms. It weighs about 22. However, I need a different outfit for each day and spare shoes and makeup and straighteners and hair dryers and things like that. It's got to be done. And we've got to take things like, you know, chargers and all of those kind of things. It's so weird. It just feels so weird.
Not
to be
having
packing
everything with you. Anyhow, so we parked the vans up and I just noticed how much of a replication I've done of Bumble in my van with the dark strip down the middle of the van and the windows in it.
Yeah.
Only because we parked next to each other.
So at least you know then when we do my van build, sorry Bumble, I don't mean it, that you can replicate my camper van look on that, because if I do change it I still want it to look like a camper van.
Okay. Right. I suppose we best get locking up and hopefully sometime in the next half an hour Taximan will turn up.
Aye.
Taximan Tony.
Taximan Tony. So, hi Tony, because he does watch videos. So.
He does, yeah.
Yeah.
So, we'll see you on the way to the station.
Aye.
I don't know why we're doing northern accents. Well, we are
northern.
But even more so than normal.
I don't know why we're doing northern, mate.
No, right, come on, let's go.
No.
Oh, I've been long gone, wanna talk to you. I've been hustling for so long. Oh, and I've been thinking about the past, and it keeps me going on. Oh, and I can't stop, no, I don't stop. It's only I can see. Even if I end up all alone, I know my destiny. My mama told me we all bleed the same sun. Oh, prejudice and pride will make you change. Just always remember where you come from, 'cause I know you were born to break the chain. So I'm on my way. Yes, I'm leaving today.
Would it?
Yeah.
Because getting lost in Nottingham. Lost in Nottingham!
Hey.
Bit different to being lost in Europe.
Well, yeah.
This way.
Prefer to be lost in Europe.
Yeah.
Alright, secret mission.
Secret mission.
Yes.
Let's find the hotel. So far, John thinks I'm going the wrong way. Even though John said to go the wrong way. And now he's saying it's the wrong way. So literally we've got a 9-minute walk from the train station to the hotel, including use of Google Maps. And we still don't know where we're going. Give me my van back. I got the key.
I got the secret.
It's a secret. My side. Yay.
4:30.
Caitlin.
I put it in a safe place.
It's dark.
Come on, say it. You're going to say that.
It's got a bed.
It's bigger than our van.
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's got one up on my van already because it's got a bed.
Yeah.
I've got nice city views as well.
Well, hang on. Gotta do the capsule toilet. It's like the Ibis in France.
Yeah? No, first of all you got to go.
Is that harder than you anticipated?
It was.
And you know, that's what she said.
Hey.
If we go over here. Oh, come on, the contrast. Oh, look at that with the cotton puff clouds. That's all right.
Come to Nottingham, she says. I booked a hotel, she says. Let's go shopping,
But
she
Primark.
says. Yeah, whatever.
I need a hat.
There you go. Yo, yo.
No.
Yeah? Happy with that?
No.
Some hours later.
I feel like I've already got many like this, so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Around, look. I don't like the tassel on the back.
No, that'll do it for you.
No.
Yeah. No. I want a Trilby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with it though.
Yeah. I have to go to another shop.
Oh, what? Hats!
JM's.
Yay! Morning, folks. And yes, we're in Nottingham. Mandy's still getting dressed.
That was a close one.
We had a good night last night. Went to TGI Fridays. It's a bit of a treat. Not been for some time.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's quite a nice night out. And today we're off to a YouTube summit, which is like a company that helps YouTubers deal with YouTube, because we don't particularly think that we're dealing with YouTube really well. And
No, there's definitely things we could do better.
yeah, channels are growing. Obviously, there's more of you watching, more interaction, and we just see if we can get some hints and tips about doing it a bit better.
Yes.
So there's obviously lots of other YouTubers there. Not many that we know.
No, but
So-
there are some.
There are some we know.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go and see what it's all about.
Aye. Learning.
Learned. So are you excited?
I am excited.
Should we tell them what it is yet?
You can if you want to.
Should we wait till we get there?
But there'll be YouTubers there.
I'm going to wait till we get there. So, given that we went to a YouTube weekend, we're bad YouTubers.
Terrible YouTubers.
There was a little caveat though that I'm going to go with, which was we weren't allowed to film anything there or anyone there.
Was it interesting?
It was interesting. We did learn a few things, so that was good. Things that we're hopefully trying to implement, stuff like that. But ultimately, it was nice to catch up with friends.
But
That's
it was-
the YouTube stuff done with. You don't want to know about that.
But Nottingham was good.
Nottingham was good, and we did have a nice weekend away.
Yeah.
So we found some nice places to eat, because obviously, you know, we like food. So that was very nice
Oh,
as well.
you liked, was it Red Dog Barbecue?
Yes.
That was
very
pretty epic portion sizes.
Yeah,
The biggest chicken tenders I've ever seen in my life.
yeah.
But yeah, the food there was amazing.
It was
And
very
veggie options for everything. So well impressed with that. Even bacon and all sorts of things on your loaded fries. And yeah, I need to like go for a run. Just
Well,
slumped in.
we're wearing the new Mirider special edition. Do you want to spin round so they can see the back?
Spin around.
So this is the new t-shirt. I'll put a picture on screen now so Mandy doesn't have to contort herself into such bad shape. But this is the new t-shirt Mirider given away to coincide with our new special edition Mirider and John and Mandy Adventure Edition bike.
Aye, which is freaking awesome.
So make sure you get down to the NEC for the October edition of the Motorhome and Caravan Show in Birmingham. So yeah, my bike's going to be there, and obviously they'll have the Adventure Edition bike there. So you can come and see the bikes and obviously see us and see the people there. We're going to be there Thursday, Friday and Saturday from
11 till 2.
Yeah.
Something like that. If it gets busy, we'll stop around. We're not going to run away. And of course, we'll be meandering around all the halls as well because, I mean, you know, shops and stuff.
You'll be around all the accessory stuff, won't you?
Yeah, there's a couple of people that I've said we're going to go and see. We're going to go see the guys at Fire Safety Stick Out because they've asked us to go see them too.
Yeah.
So.
And you want to go and look at the cab bunks people as well, don't you?
Yeah, cab bunks, because I figured a way for me to not have to make up a bed might be for me, never mind kids, me just to have a cab bed in the front of my
Because you are small.
I'm small. You know, I can fit across ways, and it's the same width at the front as it is in the middle. So yeah, it might be that might be a thing for me. So watch this space. I've got to go and see all the things. That's the whole point of the show.
It is, yeah. And speaking of van build, yes, I am mid van build. I'm just at the point of installation, so let's zip it there because everyone's got an opinion on insulation.
Everyone's got an opinion about van build in general.
I know, but insulation's like, ooh. Are you using a vapour barrier? I was going to do a bit of a jokey vapour barrier, wasn't I?
Yes.
I was going to go down Poundland and I was going to get some foil Christmas wrapping paper because I figured not only is it like foil, so it's a vapour barrier, but it's £1 a roll, it's dead cheap.
You probably get 2 for £1 at the quid shop nowadays, you know.
But then I figured that perhaps people that are interested in vapour barriers don't appreciate jokes. So yeah, it's just a bit of a catch-up video. I know that the timelines are all a bit strange with videos from Mandy and no videos from me, but videos from me on the other channel and blah, blah, blah. Well, it's just the way things are working out right now.
Yeah, and it is... It does bother us that it's not the standard thing.
Yes.
We're not just quite happily chucking out these videos willy-nilly. It is a little thing because we're just so used to doing the videos and we're so used to getting to the chance to chat and have all the comments from you guys that it does seem a little bit weird. It's like we're in a slightly parallel universe of van build and not travelling for a short while. But
yeah, not travelling is agitating me somewhat.
Yes, I have noticed.
Right, so we'll see you at the NEC.
Oh, it's going to be brilliant. I can't wait. I've not been to a good show for a look round for a very long time.
It's been a long time, hasn't it?
Yes, so I'm very much looking forward to it. So hope we're going to see a lot of you there.
Yep.
And those that we don't, we shall no doubt catch you on the next video.
Cool. All right, folks.
Take care.
See you next time.
We'll see you soon. I don't beat him up, honestly.
She does.